second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci mind. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci mind. Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams. Gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line. Charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci mind. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci mind. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci mind.
Good morning, November 25th, 2025. All right, let me just, I'm going to gamble that my volume is working correctly. I think that's probably the best thing. Well, let me check it real quick. But since the song was just playing, I'm anticipating everything's all right. Since the song was, yeah, okay. I can get rid of that. There we go. All right, good morning. Let's see what we've got. Look over at the side panel and daily NQ. You can see we made a move up, big move up yesterday. Now the question is, do we continue up? Or do we just come right back down? This probably wouldn't be a bad spot to go to. Or do we come down and fill some gaps? Because I think we have some gaps to fill. So, even further down. But this is the 200-day down here. So the question will be is, do we make it there? But we'll find out. No idea. 15-minute chart. Ooh, that's ugly. This was yesterday. Good move up. So definitely some support here. Some big support there. See what happens. This would be 24.6. Yeah. Okay. I got the Gunslinger running today. Hopefully it'll show trades today. We got our 2-minute chart. I'll be playing the 2-minute high-low pre-2 market. Let's look at the 15-minute. I don't know what those are. Oh. A lot of stuff on the chart. All right. So if I look at, going to be a big CPR today. 675, basically 100 points. So it's a big one. So as long as we stay above 772, you know what I say, 600 down into here. Here's the support on the 15-minute. I would do something like this. So, could have some support. Let's put, let's put the London session, because I haven't had that on here. Let's say, I don't know if I have that on there. Trading hour, there we go. And I think I'm just showing the London session. There you go. So here's the high, 938, and the low of 821. So I got to turn this guy off. So 772, as long as you stay above that, this could just be, I don't know if it's a big old flag. It's getting pretty big. Damn near the size of the pole, right? So I would lean towards, you can see how yesterday, what did we do? Let's see. Did we do in the cash session? No, we didn't. That was session low right here. We didn't even come down and hit this guy. Interesting. But we'll see. You got the bull zone here. So 788, you're going to get some support. I'm sorry, 88. So 702 to 789, big area. See if that holds. Because we could do something like this. And you could say, well, here's some pretty decent area right here, support. Hold on a second. Okay, let me get back. Camera and screen. So you got support. You got support here. You got support here. So I guess there's going to be some support here. That's some good useful info. And then we'll have resistance back at the top. You know, basically I would do something like that personally. It could even be that big right there. I'm lining up this right here. So from this wick to that one, a little bit higher. But you can see we just came up, wicked it, came back up, tried again, wicked it. So now they're going to come down, get some, what I always like to think of as energy, come down and get some energy, and then before heading back up. If we continue up. So that's where we is. I don't know how I'm going to play yet. Exact quantity. A ratio. There we go. Okie dokie. And I'll just do a 3-to-1. Or yeah, I'll play threes. Potentially today's date is a grade A. On the daily, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, today's more like a D. So, or an F. So that's why Tuesdays and Thursdays are hard days, just because they're not good days on a weekday basis. The market generally doesn't work well with me or with this system. So maybe because momentum is pulled from those days, and I'm a Momo trader, so it doesn't, there's a lot of choppiness. Maybe I have to go to a bigger stop. That's a possibility. I could look at that. Historically, the 15-minute plays better than the pre-market or that. So what I'm going to do, I'll just play 3. Worst case scenario is I get stopped out both ways, which is 40 points. That's worst case. So it's really, it's a hit, but it's not a huge hit. So I think I'll go with that. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm good. Oh, we're open. What do you know? Oh, there we go. Wow, what is going on? Something weird going on. Huh. Well, that's crappy. Crappy fill, crappy play. Two days in a row now I've had difficulties. Wow. And nothing's hooked up either. Gosh. All right. I'll take this again if we come back down. And I'll take the high if we come back out. Something wrong with my account. Huh. Whoa, it liquidated both of them. Oh. Wow. What the fuck? Oh. Oh. Wow. Yep, liquidated both of them. I didn't have them set for crossovers. Well, that's a drag. I'm glad I played minimal. Oh. Son of a gun. I worked hard on those two. God damn it. Well, guess I'll be starting over. Can't believe that. I can because I didn't set the crossover on this account on the Replicanto. Dumb fuck. I haven't used Replicanto in a long time, and that's why. Damn it. I had it set for 3 to 1, and it took 3 to 1. So it took 6. And lost twice. There you go. Huh. What makes me a little sick to my stomach. Stupid, stupid. Nope. That's correct. Huh. Well, that hurts. And I didn't check the crossover. I didn't put the crossover, and I had a 3 to 1, which is the maximum on Take Profit Trader also. Otherwise, it was a stop out. So basically, it was a break even. All right, hold on. I'll let me get some more accounts going. Wow. I'm trying to recover here. Yeah, this is the guy I was going to play right here. I was just going to play him. I probably should have. All right. I'll get a couple more. Take Profit Trader going. My fault. It was my mistake. That's too bad. That is too bad. Well, sorry about that. Okay. All right, so far we're just chopping back and forth here. And just kind of holding. See what happens here. Sorry about that. Good morning, Jonas Essence, Michael. Good morning. Yeah, I had a little snafu where I didn't put M and Q or crossover on my Replicano, and it ended up taking out a couple accounts. Yeah. Wasn't a rookie mistake, I wouldn't say. It was just a mistake. Replicanto, come on. Damn it. Just because I've been using my copy trader for so long. So it is what it is. It happens. Shit happens, as they say. All right, I'm just waiting for a couple accounts to arrive.
Inside bar, entry.
Okay, everything's going to go off without me. And there you go. 5 minute just hit. And took profit. And Gunslinger took a short, 836, and went to profit. All right, connections. I still not connected yet. Oh. All right, Gunslinger went 1-1, minus 13. That first one was a big one, 30-point loss. This was a nice little win at 836, or about 20 points, I guess. Good move down. We consolidated there and then took the move down. It's a perfect play. So where are we heading? Why is that off? Where are we heading? Coming down to the pivot there at 772. See if we hold. We got the bull zone right here at 787. That could hold. We could bounce from here, right now. There's potential. See how she plays. Huh. All right, my system's acting a little weird. Okay. Yep. What a beautiful little trade here. Okay, let me fix that too because I must have been doing some tests. So let me change the 5-minute. Because I'm going to count it whether irregardless. So here we go. Okay. We'll let him figure himself out for a minute. This will buy me a little bit of time. There we go. Okay. Fucking 5 days of work, Michael. Damn it. All right, so we're dropping down. We dropped the pivot. MomoTrader's taking a trade. About 18 points or so. If I set this up, 76.69. There we go. All right. I'm back in the game here. Okay, so he went short there at 723. And I missed it. We're too close to the bottom of the bull zone, so I'll wait. Damn you. All right, good play. I'm all discombobulated now. All right, so pre-market high and low was actually a break even. It actually took 20 and then took a stop. So, all right, let me look over at SPY real quick. SPY just dropped the pre-market low at 667.16. I would look for a retest of that, and it looks like MomoTrader is going to take another trade. Where's he at? 82.83. Down to 663. It's a big 1 minute gap there. Yeah. If it comes back above 88, I'm going to jump out just because I think I can get a better entry. Actually, I'll take 93. Ooh, that's a big stop though. It's trying to hold. I'd like to come back up and retest around 702. I think that would be a better entry. There we go. Right there. Wow, I'm not set up yet. There we go. Come on. Come down and get me. There we go. There we go. Take him out. There you go. All right, one down. Good play. We're dropping. We're dropping. Let's go. Can we drop some more? I wasn't quite ready to grab that 30 fucking point pullback. Hey, come on. Shit. Might as well bring her on down. What's our next point of entry here? Somewhere around 616. All right, I can't let all that come back on me, so roll. Wow, what a great day today is going to be. Fuck. Now, if we get down to 35, let me see. I'm on my trading view. I don't know if they're going to take me out. We're coming up on the 200 marker on the 15 minute. So, look at it. I mean, what else can go wrong here? Hopefully I'm still long or still short in the trade. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get on my take profit trader. I'm just going to close those accounts out. Props. There we go. It's like fuck. I'm going to close open position. Yep. One of the things I do like about Take Profit Trader, well, one of the other things that I like about Take Profit Trader is you can just go right, you can just go right to the site and close it out. Well, probably got taken out anyway at 6, so all positions are closed. That's good. I'll be back in a second, I think. I'm still waiting. Oh, I know, Jonathan. Oh, I know. I'm sorry, Jonah's Essence. I understand. My Ninja just crashed and burned there. I'm waiting for it to come back. I'm still waiting. That's why I just closed out of my Take Profit Traders manually. Wow. Well, here, let's do this. Since I can't have a screen there, let's do this. This doesn't show nearly the data though. There's all kinds of weird things going on here. Yeah, I got to do apparently a Control-Alt-Delete. Let me look for a Ninja. What is he doing? He's trying to load, I think. I knew there was going to be a problem today. I had a feeling just because of OBS came up and gave me a couple of errors, which yesterday, no errors. Everything ran smooth. Today, it came up with some errors, and I'm like, what the heck? All right, let me try logging in again. Oh. I'm gonna see if I can get Trading View over there. Temporarily. Okay, so let's look at, we got the opening range set up. There you go. Opening range low is at 720. So oh, it's all part of being live, right? First thing I did this morning was on my Take Profit Trader Pros, I use Replicano, which I haven't used in a while, admittedly, but I used it for so long I know it pretty well. I forgot to put on the crossover. So it traded, and I had a 3-to-1 ratio. So I traded 6 NQs, got stopped on one for minus 1200, and then got stopped on a second one, I think, which then took me out and liquidated both accounts. Great. And then, so then I picked up a couple more evals on Take Profit Trader, and what do you know? My Ninja then drops out and won't come back. So I'm going to have to get rid of OBS. I'm going to have to drop off here for a few, just because of, I don't even know if anybody's here anyway. Let me see, YouTube. I'm going to have to drop off for a few and see if I can get my Ninja back up and running, because I can't really do anything without it. And OBS, I don't know what the heck is going on with OBS, right? So I'll be back, I hope. That's too bad. Too bad. Ciao. I'm going to get my system up and running. If I can, I'll come back in.